Oh my gosh.
Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since the last time we've recorded a video. Once I got back to college and school started, we got right into basketball season. I play basketball at Western Colorado University, and we just really didn't have time to fish or film a video. So it's April now, and the season is over. And me and a couple of the basketball guys, my teammates, are going to the CNR. It's currently like 9:30 p.m. and we're gonna head up to the catch and release section of the Taylor River outside of Gunnison, Colorado, and we're gonna be targeting some big fish tonight. So we will see you in just a second on the water up at the CNR. Catch you later. Before I could even get a cast in the water, Cade and Miles were both hooked up on fish.
Look at me too. Hold on to me. Nice.
Oh my, oh.
Should I get a couple?
Alright. We'll get a release.
Right on him.
Because it's dark and the GoPro doesn't do well in the dark, most of the casting videos you couldn't see anything. So all the clips in this video are just gonna be fish caught after they're landed.
Caught a good one.
Good job, Cam.
Let's go.
I caught a rainbow too, bro. I thought rainbows didn't eat it this time.
No, they will. You want to come over here and take my picture really quick? Yeah, I started going further out. Hooked up on the emerger. Oh no, we're not actually. Oh. Oh. Oh no, he popped off. It's alright, quick release. We're counting him. Brown. Hit the red maze. I'll just use, you can take.
Yeah, just do the GoPro.
Oh my gosh.
It's a big boy.
Yeah,
Here, let me shut. I'll shut my light off.
Yeah.
So I don't do that. And then you turn. You keep yours on. Is mine off?
Yep, yours is good.
Ready?
Oh
Look at this guy.
my gosh. Wow.
Big old rainbow. Sheesh. Oh yeah.
He looks
Look at him go.
See you, buddy.
Right above your car.
We're back out at the CNR. A week later. It's snowing.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Nah, it feels great.
We're gonna catch some fish.
Yo, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Let's go.
Catch us out on the water.
Let's go.
Let's go. You guys' lights are stronger than mine.
Got fresh batteries in there.
We're hooked up onto our first fish of the night. Ain't done fighting yet.
What? I don't even know where to start. How bad this one is.
Nice brownie. Nice fish. Oh shit. Released himself.
Oh my god, I think it's fucking woodcock, dude.
Fish. Of course it does, right? I'll grab my phone if you want me to. Yeah.
That shit 4K. 60 FPS, you got it.
All right. Yep, right there. Okay, keep holding. One more. Hold on.
Good shots.
One more. Right there.
Digging.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's such a good picture.
Is it? Oh my goodness. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, dude, I'm so cold. Dude, I think I hooked into that.
Get over here. Nice brown. Oh yeah, that's right in his mouth. Hook pops right out, right? Yeah. Hook popped right out. Got ourselves a nice brown here. Really good brown. To end the night, I landed one of the biggest rainbow trout I've caught in my entire life. One so big that you're gonna wanna make sure the people around you know you're watching a fishing video when they hear the audio. Wink, wink. That's a pig of a fish. Oh yeah. Turn my net off. Pig of a fish. Yeah, I got you. Oh yeah. Turn my net off. Oh. What a pig. Oh, dude. Yes, Kando. Yes. That's so good. Yeah. That's gonna wrap up this video. We had 2 great nights at the CNR. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.